Welcome all of you once more. Today is 21st of December 2023. I hope that you all are trying your best to improve your vocabulary. Now today's word is nuisance. Nuisance, nuisance. This word is an abstract noun. Its English meaning is anything or person that causes annoyance, burden, inconvenience or trouble. Its Hindi meaning is बाधा, चीड़ या रुकावट. Its synonyms are annoyance, bother, burden, irritation, vexation, trouble, worry or hindrance. We can use annoyance in a sentence like this. Early in the morning, the loudspeakers cause a big nuisance for the students during their exam. Second sentence will be like this. I want to get rid of nuisance of traffic jams in the city. The third sentence you will make by your own. Thank you very much and have a nice day.